Hello, and welcome to the Trading with WRDD YouTube channel. And today is Friday, 24th October. We're going to analyze the gold market price action today, and I am looking to find the best possible buying and selling zones, and what are the best setups we can enter in the market. Okay, so first of all, I would like to go to the daily chart and show you what's happening. After this big bearish candle, we were seeing very consolidated price action. The last 2 days were very consolidated. We can't see any big movement. Therefore, we can expect some big movement today, because after these kinds of consolidations, the market is collecting some liquidity to make strong movements. I am hoping the price will go further down, even though the market is in an uptrend. I am hoping the price will come to this buy zone, because you can see that zone has big buy orders that will cause another big movement, and the price could come to this area again. Okay then, we can see another big movement, but the price needs to consolidate a little bit and make some upward movement before doing this downward movement for me, because there is some liquidity just above that. Also, you can see this wick. This is a sell area. If the price comes again to that area, we can see another downward movement. Okay. In the 4-hour chart, you can see that after the price touched the 50 and 20 EMAs, the price dropped down. But there are no confirmations to enter the market for me, because we need good confirmations to enter the market, especially in these kinds of consolidations. We can't find any special or clear confirmations. Also, you can see in the 1-hour chart, the 100 EMA is very important. You can see that after the price came down to that 100 EMA in the earlier stages, the price went further up. Also, after breaking down all those EMA lines, the price could come to the EMA line and go further down. Okay, that's what I am expecting. For now, we can't see any upward movement, but we have to wait until we see any confirmations in the market. That's it for now. Some small downward movements, but we have to wait to check whether this gives us big confirmations to enter the market. Okay. Anyway, I would like to draw the support and resistance lines first. You can see there are some price changes in earlier days, but after Tuesday's big movement, we can't see any big changes in the price. Therefore, I would like to keep those support and resistance lines the same as before. So I would like to mention to you that the 3 sell zones and buy zones can be kept the same, because we can't see any breakouts or breakdowns of these zones. Therefore, we can keep all these zones as we did yesterday. Okay. Therefore, we do not have to draw any new zones, and we also don't need to draw or modify any new support and resistance lines. Okay. Now I am going to draw the best possible setups that we can expect today. For me, the price has already come down from that sell zone, and you can see the downward movement forming. If we can find any fair value gap around the 15-minute chart, then we can enter the market with that. If you have a fair value gap, we can take a sell entry. Okay, I think the market could drop down around that resistance level, or sometimes it could meet the 150 EMA in the 4-hour chart. But for me, in the 1-hour chart, I would like to show you that there are some resistance lines above. That wick, there are 2 lines, 100 and 150 EMA. I was hoping earlier that the price would go further up and then go down, but that didn't happen, and I can see there is a bearish candle created. Therefore, we need to wait to see the confirmations, because we can't enter the market now. We have to go to the 15-minute chart and wait for the price to come back to that fair value gap, and then we can take our sell entry. But for me, it's better to wait and check what can happen in the next hour, because the bearish candle is still progressing. It's just 15 minutes, and in that hour, we do not know what can happen in the next 45 minutes. We have to wait until that candle completes. Okay, this is our first setup. That was our first setup. Also, we can expect the price to go further up and retest that sell zone. Then we can enter the market with confirmation. This is our second setup. I am not expecting it as much as the first one, because if you can see this kind of movement, then I think the price should go further down. Okay. But we don't know what could happen on Friday also. We can expect another setup if the price comes down there. The the price could grab the liquidity below and then go further up. After the retest of that zone, we can enter with the 15-minute fair value gap. Okay, but this is an intermediate section. Therefore, I do not like to enter the market with that buy zone. But my favorite zone is just below that support. If the price comes down there, then we can enter the market with good confirmations. Okay, this is the best buy zone for me. I am looking to enter the market with that. But we do not know. Sometimes when we are looking at these kinds of setups, the price does not come down there and it just goes above that. Therefore, you have to identify and always stay alert about what the market is doing. Okay. These are the things that we can expect today. The sell zone is a very important sell zone, and along with that, the 100 and other EMA lines. You have to keep your eyes on them and check before entering the market after seeing 15-minute confirmations. Okay. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you really liked my video, please subscribe and share. Thank you very much.